Hi everybody, my name is Stephanie and I will be presenting the Ellison Preschool Consultation Project. Along with me, Erica, Chastity, Shakira, Megan, Sarah, and Miriam were working on this project. Ellison Preschool is an inclusive school in a urban area with 200 students. 150 of them are in a special education setting and 50 of them are in a regular education setting. Students are between 3 to 5 years old. 50 of them attend speech therapy sessions, 25 are nonverbal, and 5 of them use PECs. We have 20 classrooms with 8 to 12 students in each classroom, 1 teacher and 2 assistants per room. Available at the school, we have 2 speech therapists, 1 occupational therapist, 1 physical therapist, 1 principal, 1 BCBA, as well as 4 to 6 parent volunteers available daily. The main concern for the school is that children are fighting over toys and having tantrums during playtime instead of asking for toys or asking to play with their peers. To give you a background, token economies have been used to establish, decrease, or maintain existing behaviors. They are easy and effective to help promote positive behaviors in the classroom. Picture exchange communication systems have been used to facilitate social skills, and PECS has demonstrated gains in functional communication skills as well as spontaneous language skills. Teaching children to use PECS with peers increases manding and social interactions in individuals with limited or no vocal repertoire. Token economies will be used to increase desired behaviors such as manding to peers for the toy or playing with the peers, and decrease undesired behaviors such as stealing toys, fighting over toys, throwing tantrums. Tokens will be given for desired behaviors and they will be removed for undesired behaviors. At the end of each day, the class will earn a prize when the goals are reached. The materials needed for token economy are token board, tokens, classroom rules, and reinforcers. This is an example of a token economy. How to implement a token economy. Identify interests of the class and create boards using those interests. The boards should be large enough with catchy colors. The class should understand the rules. So the classroom rules will be displayed near the chart so that success is ensured. Rules are followed, a token is given. If the rules are broken, a token is removed. Once the goal of the day or of the week has been achieved, the class chooses their reward. It's important to make sure that all staff is aware of the definitions of the behavior so that they can add or take away tokens appropriately. This is an example of data collection for token economy, and staff will be trained on the importance of token board economy as well as on how to identify target behaviors. Training will be held in which staff will role play different scenarios with the trainers, and they will indicate if in fact a behavior has occurred and if a token should be rewarded or removed. A 2-week observation period will be held in which trainers observe their staff implementing the plan and take data, and the consultants and BCBA will meet after 4 weeks to analyze the data. Regarding we will be using PECs to increase communication skills so the children can mand to play with their peers and ask for the toys. This will also help in decreasing problem behavior. The materials needed for PECs are the students' reinforcers, a PECs communication board, a communicative peer, a prompt partner, data sheets for each phase, and a pencil to take. Each student will have a PECs communication board that will be available in each room. All members will be trained on how to use PECs with the clients. There will be 3 phases that will be implemented. The phase 1 is when the child chooses one picture at a time. Prompts will be delivered for the child to be successful and they will be faded out and reinforced reinforcers will be delivered greatly when independent responses occur. Phase 2 increases the spontaneity and generalization of the picture exchange. In this phase, we gradually increase the distance between the learner and the communication board, as well as the distance between the learner and the communicative partner. Once this is met, we move to phase 3, where the child is taught how to discriminate between PECS pictures. So more pictures are gradually added onto their board, and they have to select which one they need to get access to the reinforcer. Data will be collected on the type of reinforcer that is requested and the prompt level that is needed for them to request the reinforcer. Staff will be trained on how to implement each phase of the PECS intervention, on how and when to provide physical prompts and how to fade their prompts. They will also be trained on how to collect data on the reinforcer requested and the prompt level needed to evoke the picture exchange. Role play will occur for each phase of the PECS intervention. A 2-week training will take place where the BCBA provides supervision and gives feedback to the staff implementing the plan. And again, the BCBA and the consultants will come back after 4 weeks to analyze the data. How does this apply in the school? We're going to use a secondary tier intervention for a small group. The class will be divided into 3 small groups of 4 children with 1 adult. Each adult will be responsible for implementation of the plan and data collection for their small group. The BCBA will monitor the progress and answer any questions that come up. The speech pathologist will also help monitor and make suggestions for any communication skills during playtime, and staff members will be trained on how to effectively implement token economies and PECS. Final tips to ensure success of this intervention are consistency and the correct implementation of the program. Positive attitude is also very important. We also need to ensure that reinforcers for each student and for the class are available for the PECS and token economy. And we need to keep in mind that the main goal is to increase autonomy and communication as well as decreasing problem behaviors. There are some references for further information. Thank you for listening.